It's been about a solid year since the pandemic first struck the country and then came here to Texas. Life has changed dramatically for nearly everyone, including those in nursing homes, many of whom still aren't seeing their loved ones.
Our Jarrell Baker tells us how a local family has tried to connect with her father during the pandemic.
Finding time to spend with family, friends, and loved ones has been tough during the last year. Richard Washington, whose father was in a Harker Heights nursing home, went months without seeing him face to face.
He got into a depression, being that I couldn't visit and stay on top of things like I was before. He started getting sicker, he wouldn't eat.
Washington says video wasn't an option, and they could not meet through a window because he was bedridden. Washington says his father took multiple trips to the ER, developed wounds, and caught COVID-19. It seemed like his father was struggling to survive, and he couldn't do anything to help.
Usually I would have to call back several times just to get through. So that was another frustrating piece. So it caused me to kind of get a little testy and start going up there knocking on doors like somebody gonna tell me something.
A recent report by the American Healthcare Association and National Center for Assisted Living say there's been an 82% dip in new cases among U.S. nursing home residents since December. With millions of Texans taking the vaccine and the governor lifting the mask mandate and reopening businesses, some believe widespread in-person visits could be back soon. But Washington says it's still too soon.
The interaction is important because it gives people hope. That part is important. The timing right now, I don't think the timing is appropriate.
As for his father, the U.S. Marine veteran was moved to a hospice at the VA hospital in Temple and is back to his old self.
Right now, he's doing good. He's talking smack. He's a old Marine, so he talking trash and talking about who he want to flirt with and where he gonna go fishing at.
Washington and his family don't know how much time they have left with their father, but they're doing everything to make sure that every moment counts. In Bell County, Jarrell Baker, 25 News.
Jarrell, thank you. COVID-19 cases in U.S. nursing homes peaked in late December when over 33,000 cases were reported. That peak happened right after vaccination efforts kicked off, with nursing home residents and staff members being some of the first people eligible. Now reports show an 82% decline in new nursing home COVID-19 cases nationwide.